If you have opened an AI tool, stared at the blank chat box, and had absolutely no idea what to type, you are not alone. Most beginners quit right there. This video gives you a dead simple framework so your very first AI conversation produces something genuinely useful. Your first move is to stop tool shopping and just pick one. ChatGPT at chat.openai.com is the most beginner-friendly place to start because the free tier is solid and the interface is instantly intuitive. You can always explore other tools like Claude or Gemini once you have the basics down. AI language models are prediction engines that generate text based on your instructions. Think of it less like a search engine and more like a brilliant intern who can draft, summarize, brainstorm, and explain anything you describe clearly. The quality of your output depends almost entirely on the quality of your input. Here is the single most important skill in AI: writing a good prompt. Always give context first, then state your task clearly. For example, say I am a marketing manager at a small software company. Write 3 subject lines for an email announcing a product update. That context changes everything. Do not start by asking AI to write your board presentation. Start small. Ask it to summarize a long email thread, brainstorm 5 names for a project, or rewrite a paragraph in plain English. Low-stakes tasks let you learn the rhythm of prompting without any real risk. The most powerful thing beginners miss is the follow-up. If the first response is not quite right, just say so. Type "make it shorter," make the tone more formal, or "give me 3 more options." You are having a conversation, not submitting a one-time request, and each reply gets you closer. This step is non-negotiable. AI can confidently state things that are simply wrong, a phenomenon called hallucination. Before you send any AI-generated email, report, or document, read it yourself. Check for factual accuracy, appropriate tone, and anything that should not be shared externally. You are the editor, always. Once you find a prompt that works well, save it. Keep a simple document with your best prompts organized by use case. This turns a one-off win into a repeatable workflow. Within 2 weeks you will have a personal toolkit that makes you noticeably faster at routine writing and research tasks. Pick one tool, write prompts with context and a clear task, start with small low-stakes work, iterate in the conversation, and always review before anything goes out. That is the entire beginner framework. Open ChatGPT right now and try it on one real task from your to-do list this week. You will be surprised how fast this clicks.